Hello everyone, in this video we will start to talk about data locations in Solidity. All the variables that you see in a contract, they are storing their values in places which are called data locations, and those data locations, they are storage, memory, call data, and stack. And in this video we will start to talk about, we will first talk about storage. So storage variables, actually they are the easiest one to understand. Any variable that is declared outside of a function is a storage variable. For example, this string variable mycity, which has bismil as a value, is a storage variable. And storage variables, they are mutable. You can update them, but when you update a storage variable, it will cost you some gas, because when you change the state, when you change a storage variable, it means that you are changing the state of a contract, and consequently you are also changing the state of a blockchain, and for that reason it will cost you a lot of gas. It's the most expensive one to play with. And here we have created a uint array, and this uint array is also a storage variable, as you can see. So now let's create another function here. This function, as you can see, it's just a, you don't need to pay attention to this function, it's just returning this array. Okay, and now let's create our functions which will help us to understand the difference between storage variables and storage pointer variables. So storage variables, imagine that you want to change a value of this array. You can change it as it is, like just like that, as simple as that. You will target the element index number and you will update it. And you can do the same thing by using storage pointer variables, and to do so you first need to come down here and you will say uint array, and you will use storage keyword, and then you can say anything. Let's say x66 is equal to my numbers, and we will come down, and at the end I said we will do the same thing as the function above. So how many x? 4x is okay, and here we can target any index. Let's target the same index, and let's make it 66666, something like that. Okay, so imagine from this x66 there is an arrow going to the box which is containing to these values. So it means that both my numbers and also these x66, they are pointing to the same box. Okay, and later you can update you can update an element inside this box by specifying its index number. And storage pointers, you cannot use it on any type of any data type. You can use it only on structs, arrays, and mappings. But storage pointer variables, they are not storage variables, okay, and you cannot declare them outside of a function. And also do, for example, this x66 storage variable, storage pointer variable, it will not persist. When the function call finishes, it will also finish. Okay, and I guess that's all about it. Yeah, storage pointers, you might be wondering why we need them. They have some use cases which might help you to increase transaction speed and also lower the transaction cost, but those use cases, actually they are very rare, and very probably you will never need to use them, but still you need to know them if you see them accidentally in any contract that you're gonna work with in the future. So that's the difference between storage and storage pointer variable, and see you next time. Bye bye.